everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Sibongile and the Dlamini's from the 30th to the 31st of December 2024. The 1st of January, guys, is still not uploaded, so we will have to wait for it on Monday. Determined for his cows to come home, Vuma is not happy. In a forgiving mood, Petene fosters reconciliation. Meanwhile, Tulisile prepares for a funeral with a twist on Tuesday. Kuzwayo comes clean to some gay about his deal with the devil. Kwenzo committed to waiting for Sibongile until she's ready to take their relationship to the next level. Well, guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share.